In this playbook, you'll discover three things. Number one, proven frameworks for aligning strategy and execution. Number two, powerful insights to turn agile into a competitive advantage. Number three, cutting edge techniques to leverage AI and innovation in your organization. This is your opportunity to shift from struggling with agile to thriving with agile. Whenever you're just starting out or refining your approach, this playbook is designed to work for you. Here's how to get it. Visit my blog, the link in the description below. Subscribe to my exclusive newsletter. Download a free copy of your CEO's Playbook for Agile Success instantly. It's that simple. Your future self and your business will thank you for it. Don't wait for your competitors to gain the edge. The strategies in this playbook are being implemented by some of the most successful leaders today. This is your chance to access them for free. But I can't promise this offer will last forever.